Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a duffel bag, this video just might be for you. This company here reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of our here duffel bag? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever this being provided to me effective review. I'm just here to keep it real. All right, so this is what you get. You get a over the shoulder that has two clips, so you can carry it over your shoulder, especially if you have some weight inside it. It has two handles and it has a Velcro grip here, so you can bring it all together, make it nice and easy to carry. One big opening in the top, just which makes it easy for putting a whole bunch of stuff inside and having just sort of one massive opening. You also have a zipper here on the side pouch. The side pouch zipper area is right at about 11 inches wide this way. The dimension of the bag in its entirety is right at about 24 inches by about 12 inches. So it's pretty substantial in size. There's also a handle on the outside right and left, so if you want to carry it like this. On the inside, when this folds out, you have not one, but two zipper compartments. Each one of these is about 9 by 8 inches, and it's mesh, so you can kind of see what's in there. It's kind of breathable. On this side of the duffel bag, you have another compartment with a double zipper that has a massive storage area. So this storage area on the side goes all the way in, almost halfway into the actual bag itself, which is roughly 13 inches deep. You know, so you have this massive cavern, if you will, on the inside. So packing a bag, you have this big area, but then part of that big area can be taken up with this extra area right here that's on the side, just to make it convenient if you're just wanting to kind of cram a whole bunch of stuff in here that doesn't have anything to do with the main storage area. That's kind of new. I've never seen anything like that before. This would probably be helpful if packing anything like liquids or anything like that that you don't want to possibly, in the process of traveling, to have an impact on, let's just say, apparel or clothing that's on the inside here. So just in case there's a leak, this is all gonna be confined in this. The material is very well made. The seams are solid stitching. This looks to be some kind of water resistant type material. This one, I'm not sure if there are different colors. This is a black and gray color. To display an idea of what this might look like packed out. Zippers also have the option to add a lock. So these have a built-in locking mechanism that comes together, and then you can put a travel lock right here. In summary, this is a legit duffel bag. I actually am pleasantly surprised. Very high quality, packs a lot of stuff in there. Tons of options as far as storage. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.